Well, 2017 marks the 10-year anniversary of that song. So here to celebrate, please give a round of applause to the creative force behind that viral hit, Chocolate Rain. Tay, how you doing?
I'm good. How are you doing?
How the hell you look the exact same? The hell you been eating for 10 years? He looks the exact same.
Look at this dude.
The video has more than 113 views. How has your life changed because of that?
Gosh, I was in a Super Bowl commercial opened by Beyonce.
Do us the honor of performing us out all the way through the credits. All right? It's been a great hour. I want you to catch me on Twitter, and I am Steve Harvey, now singing this viral hit, Chocolate Rain. Give it up for us. Yeah.
Am I alive?